Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a brand new board for 2023. What we've got here is the MonsGeek M1. This is a 75% keyboard. It's a two-piece aluminum case. It looks great, sits on the desk nice, great typing angle. It comes from the factory as a bare bones kit with screw-in stabilizers, a polycarbonate plate, PCB with south-facing LEDs, and the PCB is QMK compatible, meaning you can program this with VIA. Comes in 5 different colors, and there are 3 different additional plate options to go with it. This board starts at $119.99 USD with free shipping domestically. Stay tuned for more information. These will be going live in January of 2023 on TheKey.Company. Tape mod, coiled USB cable, USB-C to USB-A, dust cover, additional stabilizers, additional hardware, and Allen key. Stabilizer bumpers, and the board itself. Time for the sound test. This board is as it came from the factory with the stabilizers. I've installed AKKO matcha green linear switches pre-lubed from the factory, and the keycaps are in finicky monochrome. They're a PBT die sub cap. Let's get into it.